Hi, little scientists. It's Miss Victoria from the Ridgewood Public Library. Welcome. Today we're going to make a bottle rocket. This experiment is sure to be a blast. We'll need a few items, including an empty 2-liter soda bottle, 3 pencils, unsharpened if possible, duct tape, a cork that fits the opening of the soda bottle, paper towels, baking soda, and a jug or bottle of vinegar. The first thing we'll need to do is to prepare the rocket by building a stand using the pencils and duct tape as shown here. Next, we're going to pour some baking soda, no need to measure, onto a small square of paper towel. If you have the Selecta-sized rolls, you can use half of one of those sheets, and then fold the paper towel around the baking soda. It needs to fit through the mouth of the bottle, as you can see here. Now we're going to take the experiment outside because it could get a little messy and we need some room. So now we're going to pour in some vinegar, about 2 inches worth, but again, no need to measure precisely, into the bottle that contains our little baking soda packet. Next, we're going to gently but firmly insert the cork into the bottle, then turn the bottle over and wait for it to launch. This can take up to 30 seconds, so be patient and don't get frustrated if you don't see immediate results. Now watch what happens. Ready, set, launch! So I did this experiment several times. The first few attempts were flops because I didn't have the cork inserted tight enough into the bottle. I also discovered that the hard surface of the driveway worked better than the uneven grass. The 3 blasts you see here were successful. It's a little hard to see how high the first launch went, but the second went up about 6 to 8 feet, and the third went an impressive 10 to 15 feet high. You'll want to do this experiment several times yourself because it's really fun. So now you're probably asking yourselves, what is the science behind this? Well, when the baking soda and vinegar are mixed, they create an acid-base reaction. This actually occurs in 2 parts. First, carbonic acid is formed, which quickly breaks down into water and carbon dioxide, or CO2 gas. The other product of the reaction is sodium acetate. All that CO2 gas that is formed by the reaction creates pressure inside the bottle. The pressure builds up until it pushes the cork out of the opening of the bottle. Then whoosh, we have liftoff. The rocket flies high because of Newton's third law of motion, which states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The CO2 gas and the liquid are pushed out of the bottom of the rocket, which propels the rocket upward with great force, as you can see. Thanks so much for tuning into Little Scientists today. I hope you had fun, and I look forward to having you join me for our next monthly experiment in September on site at the library.